Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a really easy messy updo on short to medium length hair. To start, I've popped a loose curl through the hair. This doesn't have to be perfect. And then I've left some hair out to frame the face on both sides. And taking my thumbs, I'm going to divide the hair from the ears going up towards the middle of the back of the head and then tie this into a ponytail. Then we're going to repeat the same ponytail on the opposite side. Next, just clip these two ponytails on top of the head for now, and we're going to divide the rest of the hair in half. And starting with the left hand side, I'm just going to pull it up to about the top of the ear height and secure it into another ponytail. Then just repeat the same on the right hand side. So you should have 4 ponytails. So release those top ponytails down. And I'm going to take some dry texture spray and apply it all over the top of the head and to all of the ponytails. Now taking the top 2 ponytails, I'm just going to simply tie these in a knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. And then I'm just going to slip a few bobby pins through the centre of the twist on both sides and one through the middle to keep it nice and secure. Now grab the bottom 2 ponytails and again tie the same knot. Pull it tight to the head and secure it through the centre with as many bobby pins as needed. I used 3 bobby pins per twist. Next, apply some wax spray all over the head and then I'm going to pinch and pull at the hair at the top for a little bit more texture and volume. Now we're going to use our fingers to really pinch and pull these knots apart. The aim here is to make sure that they meet in the middle so there's not a gap and to add a lot of texture. So now working on that top ponytail, we've got some tail ends. I'm just going to pop a bobby pin on the end, give it a twist and then just slide it into the middle of the updo. Now on the next one I'm going to bring this up and over to cover the elastic band and secure it to the head. Then just repeat this for the remaining tail ends, either tucking them to cover your elastic bands or twisting them with a bobby pin and adding them into the updo. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.